Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here going to show you how to make a web resume in Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in order for you to create or make a web resume here in Wix, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access or log in into Wix.com. Now from here at the top right, let's go and click on create new site here and click on use Wix editor. Now in here, we want to specify a few things. So specifically what you want to create here. So you can go and click on set up without chat here, but if you want to choose chat, or in this case the chat function here, you can go ahead and do that. But in here, it's really important that you specify what you are looking for. So in this case, just type in resume. It should give you the appropriate option. Let's go and click on resume here and click on continue. Now it should start preparing your dashboard here, and once your dashboard is prepared, you should be able to see this one. First, it's going to ask you what is your resume going to be called. For example, I'm going to name this as is and click on continue. Now from here, we could go ahead and start adding apps here. So in this case, portfolio app for Wix will be added automatically here. But you could also add blog here or video if you want to share, stream, and sell your videos. But for now, let's go and click on continue. Now from here, let's go and click on continue the dashboard. Now, from here on, you just need to follow the steps that Wix will be giving you. So in this case, by the way, this is the setup page here. So first is you need to basically add a project to your portfolio, design your website, get found on Google, and discover Wix Enterprise. But with those steps that you'll be seeing here, the first thing that you should actually do is to design your site. So at the top right, let's go and click on design site. Now from here, you could go and pick a template here. And like what I said before, depending on what you've entered before, this will give you different recommendations. So in this case, you could go and choose whichever format or whichever design that you want to use here. Like for example, maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and click on edit. Now it should start applying that specific design into your Wix website, but once it's actually applied, you should be able to start adding whatever element that you want. The great thing about Wix here is you could basically add elements like text, videos, images directly from the tools that you'll be able to access at the left side here, and basically just drag them into your actual template, which is a really cool thing here. It's a drag and drop functionality. Now, once it's actually set up, you can go ahead and click on X at the X button at the top right here. First is you have add elements. Now, if you want to add like text, images, buttons, this is where you'll be able to add them. Now, you could also add like decorative here, like boxes for advanced ones and galleries if you want to really customize that one. Now, sections section here allows you to add pre-built sections, like if you want to welcome someone, add an about section, a team section, contact section. So basically, it just this is a pre-built section. You could also add in a blank section here if you want. You also have the pages here, so this is where you'll be able to edit your pages. So if you click on experience here, this is where you'll be able to see your experiences. You could also go to education here. As you can see, this is the menus that you can access on your website. If you want to click on portfolio pages here, you could go to collection pages, product pages if you want to. As you can see, it's going to update itself. Now, from here, we also have our site design here, which allows you to change the overall design of your web page. Now, you could also adjust the color theme, text theme, and a lot more. Now, if you want to add like additional functionalities, you could go to Wix App Market to add whatever app that you need to be integrated here, like social media icons, store location map if you want to add them. Now we also have the My Business section, which allows you to basically add new or manage your already existing apps. Now also you have like images, media here, which in this case should contain your media or videos or photos. CMS is just like, for example, the database of your web page. Now, once we go back into our dashboard here, we should be able to start managing other things. Like, for example, if you want to add your portfolio, let's go and click on Add Project here. Now, by the way, you can access project section as well by going to portfolio, go to projects, and you can go and just choose whichever work here. So, for example, we are into web design. This is just an example. Let's go and click on next. You can go ahead and upload from computer here if you want to. Let's go and upload from computer. I want to upload this specific image here. This is just an example. Obviously, you could go and add your image. Like, you go and click on generate projects, or you could go and click on setup without AI at the bottom left here if you want to basically set this up without using AI and just input your details automatically. Let's go and click on create portfolio. Now from here, this should actually create your portfolio, as you can see right now. Now if you want to add another project, you could go and click on the add project at the top right here. Basically do the same thing, project title, description, and a lot more. Now if you go to collection, this is basically, and this is how you manage your collections. Like for example, if the projects here are actually grouped into a specific category, you could go and add collections for those. Now we also have integrations here, which in this case you can showcase all your accounts in one portfolio. Like for example, if you have like Instagram, Google Photos, Dribble, and a lot more, you could go ahead and sync them in here or add them in here. But yeah, so there's a whole setup for us for that if you want to. But yeah, so that's how you get started here on setting up your web resume here on Wix. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at TLNapp. Thank you for watching.